Wow, you're wearing your light up shoes, Ru.
But it's almost out of battery.
Oh, almost out of battery. Where will we go, Ru?
At the highway.
We're going to the highway again? Wow, nice shoes. Ooh!
Now look at the chicken.
What's that?
It's the chicken. What is doing?
Oh, yes, chicken.
What is doing here?
I don't know, Ru.
It's not scared. It's not scared.
It's going somewhere.
Yeah, I think he wants to go find some food there.
Yes. Okay, let's go. I like your shirt, Ru.
Yeah. Look at her.
Wow. What's the brand? Let me see.
The-
Ooh, Beep Baby. Wait, we'll see. I'll just see the brand. Beep Baby. Bathing Ape. Bathing Baby. Wow.
But look at the bear.
Yeah, it's a bear. Okay.
Ready? You think there's dogs there?
I'm not sure.
It's an old house.
Oh no, it's an old house,
But I
Ru.
don't see anyone.
Yes.
Okay, there's some music.
There's probably someone inside, Ru. Or they are doing construction, you see? Wait.
I hear something.
What's that?
There's a dog.
What? Let's go, Ru. Oh, trucks are there again, Ru. The highway. Oh.
Oh no, the bottle is my light up juice.
What?
No, in front of my bottle we have light up juice. It's out now.
Okay.
We need to buy a new bottle.
Yes.
Jump!
Oh.
Look at my Spider-Man jump.